Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about the case of Neil Aurelio Nuns versus Union of India. This case is related to the admission into NEET UG and PG. This particular exam, NEET, that stands for National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test, is given to get admission into the medical courses, both for undergraduate programs and postgraduate programs. Recently, the resident doctors have been protesting against the delay that is caused in the counseling of these NEET UG and PG admissions for the year 2021 to 20. In this video, today we will understand why the doctors were protesting, why this delay happened, and now finally, what is the verdict that has been given by the Supreme Court. So first, let's start that why this whole situation, this whole delay happened. So this particular issue arose as a result of the notification that was issued by the central government on 29 July. And in this notification, the reservation was introduced for the other backward classes and economically weaker section classes. So for other backward classes, the reservation introduced was 27%, and for the EWS category, that is economically weaker section, the reservation introduced was 10%. So with the coming of this new notification, with the coming of this new reservation policy, this whole issue arises, and this reservation will be introduced in all the courses for undergraduate and postgraduate medical, dental courses from the current academic year, that is 2021 to 22. And this was there in that notification. But while hearing, the Supreme Court raised the doubts regarding the reasonableness of the rupees 8 lakh limit in case of EWS category. So those people who belong to this category and those who are opting for the reservation in this category, they need to have at 8 lakh rupees annual income. So that was in case you have 8 lakh rupees annual income, okay, that was the cutoff. Above that, you cannot get the EWS category reservation. And the court was having doubts in regard to it, in regard to the reasonableness of this particular reservation. And that's why they were analyzing it. The Supreme Court was analyzing it because this case was done, the petition was filed against the validity of the center's decision to introduce the OBC and EWS reservation in the All India quota for NEET admission. So this whole case was done, the petition was filed raising the question on the validity of this reservation that was introduced in the All India quota NEET admission. So on 25th October, the central government told the Supreme Court that the NEET counseling will not commence till this issue, this EWS and OBC issue is pending before the court. So till the time it is not resolved, this issue is not resolved, the central government cannot commence the counseling process, cannot start the admission process. So on 25th November, the center agreed to revisit the EWS criteria in the light of the court's concern and decided to formulate a committee to examine this particular issue. So the center sought for a week's time to complete this whole exercise, to form a committee. That committee will understand, that committee will examine this whole issue. And the Supreme Court had then adjourned the case to 6 January 2020. So finally, in between this, there were a lot of protests that was done by the resident doctors in regard to the delay in counseling process. And after taking into consideration all the aspects, the Supreme Court gave the decision. Last week also one affidavit was also filed by the center, in which the center told that the committee which was formulated has recommended that the retention of the existing EWS criteria for the ongoing admission, and that it has accepted the said recommendation. So this particular criteria that was there for EWS category up till now, which was ongoing, it should only be retained, because it, under the present circumstances, it is completely unadvisable and impractical to apply the new criteria and change the goal post in the midst of the ongoing process, resulting in inevitable delay and avoidable complication when the existing system is ongoing from 2019. So finally, the bench, which was comprising of Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and A.S. Bopanna, held that on Friday, they held that they allowed the commencement of the counseling process for NEET PG and NEET UG for 2021 to 22 on the basis of the existing 27% quota for other backward classes and 10% reservation for economically and weaker sections in the all India quota. So right now, for the current year, the same process that was done since 2019 will be followed, and no changes will be made. The same process will be followed as held by the Supreme Court, as held by the bench that was comprised of Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and A.S. Bopanna. So this was all about the issue of this NEET UG and PG admission, the delay in the counseling. I hope this video was helpful to all of you. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. In case you have any query in regard to the legal matters or law exams, you can reach out to me on my Instagram ID. The link for the same is provided in the description below. Thank you very much.